Good morning. Today is a fun day. We are headed to Goodyear, which is very close to Phoenix, so I'm going to say Phoenix, to go to the movies. So that's what we're about to do. We're about to leave here. It's like about 8:30. All right, where are we going? You've been waiting a long time for this.
I have. Well, I was going to go, I wanted to go in December. We didn't get to, and then I was going to go in January with our friend Pup Camper 58, Cheryl. And then I got sick. And then, you know, all the booths and Tyson Wells. And well, we're going to go see Wicked today.
An hour and 38 minutes drive to the theater.
Per Google, which we know will be longer.
Yeah.
One way.
One way. And how long is the movie?
It's a little bit long.
Look, I'm yelling. How long is the movie?
It's like a little bit long. It's like 3 hours.
3 hours?
2 hours
2:40
45 or yeah, something like that.
So we might
But I've been told it goes real fast.
We might get home before dark. It's a big long day of fun. It's a fun day today.
It is. We're going to go have fun today.
Yeah. All right, let's do it. Deborah's out there filming the parking lot, showing you how empty it is. Here at the movie theater, here's a big movie theater. That's probably the biggest I've ever have gone to. So, yeah, there's nobody in the parking lot right now, but we're gonna go eat first and then we'll come back. Yeah, hadn't been here in a while. I think things have changed. It's like a turnover. It's a crescent, I guess, with, it's like, is that butter or is it sweet?
It's a glaze.
All right, I gotta go. And I gotta figure out what to eat. Oh my goodness, look at that drink.
I know. It was a strawberry swirl. I can't say it.
Swirl. Swirl.
SWIRL, kind of like squirrel, but swirl.
She can say squirrel, but she can't say swirl.
The W's get me. Okay.
These are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my goodness. This is tilapia shrimp over rice with Alfredo sauce. Baked potato, salmon. Yeah, baked potato. Well,
It's too bad it was so good.
it really was. That fish and shrimp with the Alfredo sauce, perfect. Let's go to the movies.
Ready.
Harkins Theater. She's so excited.
I can't get it. You'll have to film for me.
Money. I need protected from mayhem. Yeah, like me.
This is F? How do you know?
Look on the carpet.
Oh.
Is this the first time you've been in one of these with the recliner?
Obviously.
First time she's been in a theater with recliners.
Here's a simple one.
Well, I'd have to say that was a long damn movie. It's 3:13 and it started at 12:30. Yeah, that was a long movie.
I know. We were gone a long time, weren't we?
Well, what was your impression of the movie? You were so excited. So what do you...
I almost hate to say, because I don't want to ruin it for anybody that hasn't seen it yet, because you might. I will say that I'm glad. Ow, Bandit, that hurt, baby. I will say that I'm glad we saw it on the big screen. It's a big screen production to me.
Yeah.
It wouldn't have been the same on my phone or laptop or
Yeah.
anything. So I'm glad we saw it on the big screen. I wouldn't want to see it on my laptop or phone or something. But it was not worth an hour and a half one-way drive or an hour and 45-minute one-way drive. Having a fun day, the two of us, and
Yeah.
no work and everything, that was fun. And
Great lunch.
yeah, it was a great outing, but a great day, but yeah, not worth the drive. And if I watched it streaming, I wouldn't have made it. I'd have been like, okay, I'm out of here. It was just, you know,
It was too long.
too long.
The
Not
storyline didn't. I mean, they could have cut a whole bunch of that pink stuff
well,
out.
in pink stuff. For me, it had too much flatline stuff. There were very few. The parts that were captivating,
Yeah.
they were brilliant.
Yeah.
They were good, but they were too, for me, they
Yeah.
were too few and far between. And thank you so much, Jana, for being willing. You don't even like to go to movies, and I drug you to this one.
Sat through a 3-hour movie or 2-hour and 45-minute movie.
Well, I'll make it up to you somehow.
Yeah, it was too long. I think they made the friendship too long. I mean, you can say,
Building up to the friendship.
Yeah. I don't know. It was something but anyway, we all know who the wizard is, don't we? Leave it at that. Where'd she go? Huh? Oh goodness. Is that your mama? Oh goodness.